Hey there, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the stopwatch feature on your CakCity SPV710 altimeter, barometer, and thermometer watch. So this is a pretty simple setting, as with most things on this watch. You're always going to start by basically pressing the mode button. That'll take you into the different modes on your watch. So we're going to press it a couple of times until we get to a screen that says ST for stopwatch. And then this is pretty easy. You've basically got a couple buttons that are going to come into play. Your barometer button is going to be your start and stop button. Your altimeter button is going to be your split button. And then if you want to go review your splits, you're going to look at it by pressing the light button at the upper left-hand corner here. So let's go ahead and start. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you simply want to start your stopwatch, you can do that. It's kind of nice because you'll always have the time display on your stopwatch screen, so you can always see the current time as well as your stopwatch. I can stop, and I can reset the time anytime I want to. Or if I want to do a split, I can do up to 6 splits using the stopwatch feature. So let's say we want to split here at about 7 seconds. You'll see that was my first split. Second split, so on and so forth. If you want to go review your splits, you can simply stop the stopwatch, press the light button, and that'll take you in to show you your split. So I've got my first split was at 7:43. I can use the barometer altimeter button to view the next one. It's my second split. If you want to return to the stopwatch mode, you can simply press the light button. That'll take you back into your stopwatch, and then you can start and stop again. Pretty simple. Once you're done with the stopwatch feature, you can simply press the mode button, get back to your main timekeeping mode. I hope the video helps.